Hello and welcome students. Welcome to GRS Technical. Today in this video we are going to start a new chapter which is Lost Spring. This chapter is very much important for your class 12th board examination. So please watch this video till last, and if you do like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like this video and share it to your friends. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. So firstly, I'm going to take introduction of this chapter. I'm going to give an introduction of this chapter, which is Lost Spring. Okay, then afterwards, I'm going to teach this chapter. Right, student? So I start with here. The Lost Spring summary describes the terrific condition of poor children. These children and those who didn't get the enjoy childhood because of prevailing socio-economic condition in the world. Now, this chapter is about the some of the poor children who doesn't enjoy his childhood because of some condition, because of poverty, because of they are poor. Their parents are not that much capable of fulfilling their child's need. Okay, now this chapter is here we start. This is something that one can see all over the world. These children don't have the opportunity for schooling. Means that children were so much poor, ठीक है, that they are not allowed to go to school. They didn't get the opportunity to go to the school, right? Moreover, there is a lot of pressure on these children to enter into labor early in their life. Means they have to work, because if they will not work, they will not get the food. Okay, if they will not work, they will not get the money, and if they didn't get the money, they will not able to feed themselves or their family, right? This certainty denies them education as well as the opportunity to have enjoyment. Means ना तो उन्हें एजुकेशन अच्छे से मिल पा रही होती है, एंड ना ही उनको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही होती है ताकि वो अपने लाइफ को एंजॉय कर पाए, राइट? द ऑथर Anish Jung raises voice to eliminate child labor. Means who is the author of, firstly, who is the author of this chapter? Anish Jung. Always memorable, always remember the author and poet name. Okay, यहाँ पे जो ऑथर जो हैं अनीश जंग अपने एक वॉइस को रेज कर रहे होते हैं, राइट? जंग डज सो by raising awareness regarding child education and strict law enforcements against child labor. The call is to put an end to the exploitation of children. This way, the children will be able to learn, this way, able to enjoy the days of the spring and have fun. Means exploitation उन भी खत्म होगा और वो अपने लाइफ को एंजॉय कर पाएंगे. सो स्टूडेंट्स, होप कि आपको आइडिया मिल गया होगा कि ये स्टोरी जो है वो किस पर्पज से है. ठीक है, दिस स्टोरी इज अबाउट द पॉवर्टी. दिस स्टोरी इज अबाउट how the condition of the poor children, how they survive, how they feed themselves. Okay, now the Lost Spring begins from here. The first part tells the author impression regarding the life of poor rag pickers. The rag pickers have become from Dhaka. ठीक है, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Furthermore, the settlement of the rag pickers is in the area of Simapuri. Destruction has come in the field and homes to the storms. Means this story is about is from Dhaka, and the first part tells that how they are poor. They are rag pickers, right? They had come to the civic city in the hope of finding lives there. Means we get full our demands in the big city, but we can't fulfill our demands in the villages. So the poor people come to big places, big cities, to fulfill their demands, so that they could get the job or something, right? They had come to the big city in the hope of finding lives there. However, the reality was in fact painful for them, and they had to face many hardships, right? They are certainly poor and lack various resources. The writer watches Sahib every morning as he scrounges for gold in the neighborhood. There was means of survival for these rag pickers in the garbage. Furthermore, for the children, it is wondrous thing. Means once Anish Jung saw that that boy Sahib in finding something in garbage. So he thought, what is this? What is he doing, right? These people have ambitious and desire. They have desire for getting money, they have desire to get food, right? The problem is that they do not know the way to make them possible. There are quite a few things that they are quite or two from it. These people have ambitious and desire. The problem is that they do not know the way to make them possible. There are quite a few things that they are unable to reach. Later Sahib joins a tea stall where there is a possibility for him to earn 800 rupees and all the meals. That means Sahib joined a tea stall where he get 800 rupees per month and he get a food also. Okay. However, this job has deprived him of his freedom. As such, their condition is pretty hopeless and full of misery. Okay? Now, the second part. The second part explore the life of Mukesh. Now, who is Mukesh? The second part of the story is about Mukesh, right? Mukesh is a boy who belongs to the family of bangle makers, means चूड़ी बनाने वाला, right? तो चूड़ियाँ कहाँ बनती हैं स्टूडेंट्स? फिरोजाबाद में बनती हैं. वो वहाँ का रहने वाला था. ओके. फिरोजाबाद इज फेमस फॉर इट्स अमेजिंग ग्लास ब्लोइंग इंडस्ट्री, as I have earlier told you, for bangle making. There is an engagement of nearly 20,000 children in this particular business. Furthermore, no one over this understands or respects the law that forbids child labor. Moreover, the living condition as well as the working environment are both horrendous. Right, horrendous मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा तकलीफ दे, बहुत ही ज़्यादा दुखदाई दे, हमेशा बहुत pressurized. These children live in dreadly cells. Also, they work close to hot furnaces. This is certainly very dangerous as it makes these children blind. Okay. When they enter adulthood, furthermore, these children have to deal with the pressure of debt. Moreover, they are unable to think of a solution to solve this problem. There is no way of these children to come out of this trap. Means they have to work there, they have to suffer poverty, and they have to live there. They have to suffer from it, right? The policeman, bureaucrats, middleman, and the politician will all hinder their way of progress. The woman in the household consider it to be their destiny or fate. Means their destiny is that to do that. His fate is to do that. The thing she was thinking, the woman. As a result of such thinking, they just follow the established tradition. There is something different about Mukesh. He is not like the rest of the folk there. That is because Mukesh has big dreams. What do Mukesh have? Mukesh have big dreams. He has a desire to become a motor mechanic in future. The garage is far away from where he lives, but he has a determination to walk. Now the story ends here, and now we are going to understand what is the conclusion of Lost Spring, right? Important, because this type of question comes in examination. It may be asked what you have learned from the chapter Lost Spring. So Lost Spring summary gives us an analysis of the impoverished conditions such as faced by many children that condemned them to a life pain, oppression, and lack of education. So what do Lost Spring teaches us, gives us lesson? Lost Spring summary gives us an analysis of the impoverished conditions faced by many of the children that condemned to life pain, oppression, and lack of education. Means because they are poor, they are not able to fulfill their dreams. They are sacrificing, they are working, they are doing child labor. Sahib and Mukesh, both stories you have learned. So students, this story was little bit emotional and motivational, that you are getting everything, you are getting every demand fulfilled by your parents, by your grandparents, by your family, by your teachers. So respect these all things, right? And your board examination is coming, you are getting an opportunity to get more than 80%, more than 90%. So do make their wish, make your wish true, make their expectation true. Sahib and Mukesh has not got anything. They were suffering, but you are getting an opportunity, right? So students, this was the video. Hope you all liked it, and if you do liked it, please subscribe to our channel, like this video and share it to your friends. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.